Here are all the ingredients you'll need for the soup. I'll be going through all the ingredients just so you don't miss any. Some smoked ham, an onion, some celery, enough potatoes to make 4 cups, some butter, chicken broth, cheddar cheese, milk, carrots, heavy cream, and lastly, salt and pepper. After you've cut up the onion, carrots, and celery, which is going to be 3/4 of a cup each, so 3/4 cup celery, carrots, and onion, so forth, you'll melt some butter down in a pot, and if you're thinking of doubling the recipe, of course, just double the amounts. And then just saute them or until the onions are kind of see-through or until you see the spoon. Then you stir it around and you can add more butter if needed. Add the chopped up ham or Canadian bacon and make sure it's a pound, or you can just use 2 US cups. After that, you can start adding in the 3 cups of chicken broth. This is also the step where you'd start putting in the potatoes, but I forgot mine, so yeah. And stir it in again and make sure it comes to a simmer. So with the rest of the 3 tablespoons of butter, we're going to start making a roux. After the butter is melted, then you'll put in 1/4 of a cup of flour and start whisking it together. So a roux is basically a thickener for soups or mac and cheese. Once the roux gets bubbly, then you can just pour it into the pot. Then stir it in again and make sure it's still at a simmer. After letting that sit for 5 minutes and reducing the heat to low, you can start stirring in the 1 cup of milk, half a cup of heavy cream, and 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Then stir it and cook until the cheese is melted. And for the last step, you'll be adding 1 teaspoon of pepper and then 1 teaspoon of salt. And this is how the soup turned out. This took me about roughly 3 hours. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.